Our next topic is neutralization. Now, what is neutralization? A chemical reaction where an acid and a base react to form salt and water. So, what is neutralization, children? It is a chemical reaction which occurs between acid and a base, and here we are talking about the term quantitatively. What do you mean by this quantitatively? In required proportions. Like how much amount is required. So to form a salt and water. So in every neutralization reaction, when an acid reacts with a base, it is going to give the product salt along with water. Now, what is the benefit of neutralization? Neutralization generally helps in reducing the strength of an acid or a base. Now, sometimes we need to dilute the solutions in order to reduce their concentrations. Now, what is the basic identity of an acid? The H plus ions, isn't it? The hydrogen ions. And what is the basic nature? So, how can we decide it is a base? Because of the hydrogen and oxygen ions, the OH ions, isn't it? So, in order to weak the acids, we can add a base so that the strong acids become a weak acid. So, in neutralization reaction, it helps in reducing the strength of an acid or a base, wherein we can turn a strong acid into a weak acid by adding a base. Similarly, we can reduce the strength of a strong base. We can reduce the strength of a strong base and turn it into a weak base by adding acids. That is what we are going to do in a neutralization reaction. Now let us see an example. Here we are going to take an acid and a base. So let us see the chemical reaction between an acid and a base. Now we are going to take HCl, which is nothing but hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. And as we all know, it is highly concentrated and a strong acid, HCl. And we are going to take NaOH, sodium hydroxide. NaOH, which is a base, that is sodium hydroxide. Now, how can we identify whether it is an acid or a base, children? Hydrogen ions, and we can identify it is an acid that it contains hydrogen ions, and we can identify it as a base because it is having oxide, that is oxygen and hydrogen ions. So, let us see the chemical reaction. HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, when reacts or combines with NaOH solution, is going to give NaCl plus water. So, what have we discussed over here, children? HCl, which is an acid, when it is combined with a base, that is sodium hydroxide, it is going to give salt. What is the salt which is produced here, children? Sodium chloride. Sodium chloride along with water. So this is one best example which we can discuss when it comes to neutralization. So HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, when reacts with NaOH solution, that is sodium hydroxide, is going to give you sodium chloride along with water. So one thing we should be noting down here, children, we can see some components on the left side of the arrow and some of them on the right side of the arrow. All the substances which are present on the left side of the arrow, that is the HCl and NaOH, are considered to be reactants, which are combining, which are mixing up together. They are called as reactants, while the substances which are produced are called as products. That is sodium chloride along with water. What are the substances which are on the left side of the arrow, children? They are called as reactants, and those which are produced are called as products. If at all there are some other products which are produced along with this, we call them as byproducts. Now let us see a second example, children, wherein we are going to take nitric acid, that is HNO3, which is going to be combined with potassium hydroxide, which is a base, that is KOH solution. So this is an acid and this is a base because it is having hydroxide, isn't it? So it is a base. Now let us see the reaction. HNO3, that is nitric acid, along with potassium hydroxide is going to give you KNO3 plus water, that is H2O. So nitric acid along with potassium hydroxide is going to give you potassium. It is going to give you potassium nitrate, which is a salt. So here also we can clearly see that acid, that is HNO3 nitric acid, along with a base, that is potassium hydroxide, when reacts gives you a salt, that is potassium nitrate, along with water. So this is what is neutralization. Okay, so let us watch a video in order to understand the chemical nature of neutralization and how neutralization occurs and how we can change an acid into a base and a base into an acid as per our requirement.